we got an iPhone 13 Pro with a wide screen problem. The customer tells us that no drop, automatic such thing happen. Most of the case, we can see such problem on after update, but in that case is different. If such happen, then incoming call were okay and touch was fully functional too. But the screen was only white, which is frustrating. This can't be fixed by any software. The only solution is that I mentioned in the video. Keep watching. First, you have to remove the LCD from the frame safely. How you can safely remove LCD on iPhone 12, 13, 14 series? I already made a separate video. You can check out in the description below. Remove the screw and disconnect LCD carefully. This is an old LCD. This chip carried important LCD data that Apple verify while on startup. If you change the LCD on iPhone 12, 13, 14 series, then you can see genuine display message on setting. I have another LCD. Let's check. Here you can see the Apple logo appears, means LCD itself was faulty. If you face such a problem, then solution is the replacement of the new LCD. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment below.